The Toyota Auris Hybrid, produced until 2018, uses a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, that functions as an automatic gearbox. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions with fixed gears, the CVT provides seamless, infinite gear ratio changes for optimal efficiency. This CVT is part of Toyota's hybrid synergy drive system, integrating a gasoline engine with electric motors. Although the Auris model is discontinued, the same CVT system is used in current Toyota hybrid models like the Corolla. To start the Auris Hybrid, first insert the key into the ignition. Then press the power button to activate the vehicle's systems. This initializes the hybrid powertrain without a traditional key turn. Once started, ensure the vehicle is stationary and shift the gear lever to P for park. This locks the transmission and prevents unintended movement. The dashboard will indicate park mode. For forward motion, select D for drive. The continuously variable transmission will automatically adjust the gear ratio for smooth acceleration. You don't need to manually change gears. Use N neutral only when necessary, such as for towing. For backing up, select R, reverse. The system handles all gear transitions automatically. While driving, focus on throttle and brake control. The CVT continuously optimizes gear ratios for efficiency and smooth performance, eliminating the need for manual gear changes. The Auris Hybrid automatically prioritizes electric power at low speeds for maximum efficiency. This allows the vehicle to operate quietly and without using gasoline in city driving conditions. As speed increases or more power is required, the system seamlessly switches to gasoline power or a combination of both electric and gasoline sources. This ensures smooth acceleration and optimal performance across all driving conditions. Some Auris hybrid models include a B mode that increases regenerative braking. This mode provides engine braking on downhill slopes, helping to control speed without using the brake pedal as much. Using B mode helps recharge the battery through regenerative braking and reduces wear on the traditional brakes, extending their lifespan. The system seamlessly blends these power sources to optimize fuel efficiency throughout your drive. Newer Auris hybrid models from 2013 onward include a brake hold feature that enhances driving comfort in traffic. Activate it using the dedicated hold button on the dashboard. The system holds the vehicle securely at stops without needing to keep the brake pedal pressed. This feature is especially useful in stop-and-go traffic, reducing fatigue during city driving. To release the hold, simply press the accelerator pedal or the brake pedal when ready to move. The brake system diagram shows how hydraulic pressure maintains the hold function safely. To maintain the CVT in your Toyota Auris Hybrid, change the transmission fluid every 60,000 kilometers, which is approximately 37,000 miles. Regularly monitor the fluid levels using the dipstick to check for proper levels and prevent slippage issues. Avoid aggressive driving, as this can cause overheating and put unnecessary stress on the transmission. Remember that the CVT is a sealed unit and not intended for user servicing. Leave maintenance to professionals. Following these maintenance practices ensures smooth operation and significantly prolongs the transmission's life. Rare cases of CVT slippage in early Auris models prompted recalls and software updates. If you experience unusual noises or jerky movements, consult a Toyota service center. Ensure your vehicle receives all recommended software updates. Early warning signs of potential issues include unusual vibrations or delayed acceleration. Future hybrid transmissions are evolving toward eCVTs, electronic continuously variable transmissions, and multi-stage hybrids, as seen in newer Toyota models. These advancements provide better efficiency and performance compared to traditional CVTs. Fully electric models are phasing out CVTs in favor of direct drive systems, eliminating the need for complex transmission components entirely. This simplifies the powertrain and improves reliability. Aftermarket upgrades, such as synthetic transmission fluids, may improve CVT longevity by reducing wear and enhancing cooling. These upgrades can extend the life of existing hybrid transmissions. Toyota aims for increased hybrid and electric vehicle sales, with a goal of 50% of global sales being hybrids or EVs by 2030. This drive will accelerate advancements in transmission technology for better efficiency and sustainability. Experts praise Toyota hybrid CVTs for simplicity and reliability. Studies show well-maintained CVTs can last over 250,000 kilometers, approximately 155,000 miles. Avoid heavy towing and ensure regular fluid changes. Hybrid CVTs offer significant fuel savings compared to gasoline-only vehicles. For Auris owners, focus on preventative maintenance to maximize the lifespan of the CVT.